Hi students, myself Varsha here and I am one of the maths instructor at Career Tree Education. So today I want to explain the topic decimal representation of rational number. Okay, so why do we need to study this decimal representation of rational number? As we know that every rational number can be expressed as decimal. Whenever you will divide a numerator by denominator, you are going to get a decimal, right? So that's why this decimal representation we need to study about. Okay, so on the basis of remainder, if you are dividing the numerator by denominator, then on the basis of remainder, there are two types of decimal. Okay, there are two types of decimal. The first one is terminating decimal, and the second one is non-terminating decimal. So first we will learn terminating decimal. So a decimal that ends after a finite number of digits. A decimal that ends after a finite number of digits is called terminating decimal. Or you can say, if you are dividing the numerator by denominator in a fraction, the remainder becomes 0 after a finite number of steps. For example, suppose you are taking the fraction 1 by 4, right? And if you want to just express it in the form of decimal, then you have to divide this 1 by 4, right? Okay, so you will put decimal sign first, then 2. So in this way you will perform the division process, right? Okay, so you are getting the decimal 0.25. So 1 by 4 can be expressed as 0.25. Now you can see that the remainder is coming 0. Okay, the remainder is coming 0 after a finite number of steps. So you can say that this decimal part is terminating. Okay, after 5 there is no any digit, right? Okay, so this decimal is terminating. That's why it is called terminating decimal. In the same way, if you will divide this, if you will express this fraction in the form of decimal, you will get 2.6. In this also we can say that after 6 there is no any digit, right? Okay, so we can say that this 2.6 is also a terminating decimal because the decimal part is terminating, right? So this was all about the terminating decimal. What about the non-terminating decimal? Non-terminating decimal means a decimal that does not end after a finite number of steps and a repeating string of remainders is obtained. It means that if you are expressing any fraction in the form of decimal, then you are not getting the remainder 0. For example, if you will divide this 1 by 3, right? Okay. So first of all, you need to put decimal sign, then 3, 9, then again 3, then 9, sorry, 1, then again 3, then 9, and it will be continuing like this. Okay, so you are not going to get the remainder as 0, and the digits will be repeating like 3333. So this type of decimal we will classify as non-terminating decimal because the decimal part, this is the decimal part, right? Because the decimal part is not terminating, it is continuing. In the same way, if you will convert this 18 by 23 in the form of decimal, you are going to get 0.78268086 and like this. In this way, we can also say that for this, the decimal part is also not terminating, it is continuing, right? So this type of decimal we will say as non-terminating decimal. Now again, this non-terminating decimal has two parts, two types. Okay, there are two types. First one is non-terminating recurring decimal. Second one is non-terminating non-recurring decimal. Non-terminating recurring decimal is also called non-terminating repeating decimal. What is this? If you will take any example like this is a type of decimal, right? In which the decimal part is repeating, right? This is called repeating block. Okay, and in this we can see that 2 is repeating again and again, right? So if the decimal part, okay, if the decimal part of the decimal will be repeating, then that type of decimal we will classify as non-terminating repeating decimals. Okay, and this 2 is repeating, so in order to represent it in short form we will just give the bar sign over 2 because 2 is repeating, right? So we will give bar sign over 2, so it can be represented as 0.2 bar. In the same way, if you will see this example 0.234 234, in this also this 234 is repeating, right? digits should be repeating in a sequence or in a rhythm. Okay, so in this also we can write it as 0.234 and we will give bar over this 234. Okay, so the repeating block is 234. In the same way for this, if you want to write it in form of in short form, so you can write it 4.278 and we will give bar over 78, right? And for example, in form of fraction, if you will take example of non-terminating repeating decimal, so 10 by 3, if you will take 10 by 3 and if you want to convert it in decimal, so it will be 3.3333. So we can write it as 3.3 bar. Okay, so this type of decimal in which the digits will be repeating after decimal, that type of decimal we will say as non-terminating repeating decimal. In this decimal, in this type of decimal, there is period and periodicity. What is period? If you are taking the decimal like 0.2222, so which digit is repeating? 2, right? So this 2 will be period of this decimal. If you are taking 0.234 bar, so which digits are repeating? 2, 3, 4. So these are the periods, right? 2, 3, 4. What is periodicity? Periodicity is the number of digits present in the period. It's called periodicity. For example, if you will take 0.2 bar, how many digits are repeating? 2. So the period is 2, right? Sorry, how many digits, not which digit is repeating, so that will be the period, and how many digits are repeating, that will be your periodicity. So what will be the periodicity? 1. Okay, so in the same way your period is 2, 3, 4, and what will be the periodicity? 3. Periodicity for this example will be 3, right? Yeah. Now next one is non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. Okay, what are these type of decimal? In this decimals, we are not going to get any repetition over the digits in a sequence. The digits will be continuing. Okay, the digits will not end. It will not terminate. It will be continuing, but they will not continue in a rhythm in a sequence. Like here we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No one digit is repeating. Here also no one digit is repeating. Right? None of the digits is repeating. So in this type of example, we will say as non-terminating, non-recurring decimal, and this is called rational number, irrational number. And these are the examples of irrational number. Irrational number is nothing but non-terminating, non-recurring decimals. Okay. So if in fraction, if you will take 18 by 23, you are going to get this type of decimal, and this is also a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Okay. So this was all about the classification or division of decimal representation of rational number. Hope you all would have understood my concept. Thank you.